I'm going to try and give you the last one, okay? Ready?
I am the human tripod.
Yep, you are. Rest. Calm. Easy. Okay. There we go.
I think they like a variety of food, like people do. I mean, why would you give them the same thing over and over and over and over? Now, to them, since they eat rats, mice are a treat for them, so they get something different once in a while.
I wonder why it is that she was eating live right before.
That's all she was.
Which means
breeders raise them on live food.
Which means she was eating by herself.
Yeah.
And now that she's on these, she's got to be on somebody to eat. Huh.
No.
She's got to be being held or she won't eat them. She spits them right out.
She won't eat anything unless you're holding her.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's because I feel safe and secure when I'm close to somebody. It's very simple. Anybody can figure it out.
What are you doing? Where
Snakes
you going?
are freaking awesome.
But people say snakes only tolerate being held. Isn't that a laugh?
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
If they're only tolerating you holding them, they'd be biting constantly.
She wouldn't be comfortable enough to eat with someone holding her if that
wouldn't.
was true.
Not at all.
Where are you going?
They love human companionship.
Where are you going?
That's why when any of my babies went out, I want them going out 2 at a time instead of one alone, because companionship's important to them. I had 16 baby corn snakes all living together in an enclosure. You take one out and they went crazy looking for the one that was missing.
You did a good job. Yes, you did. Good job.
So many myths about snakes. It's a lifetime commitment educating people about them, because they believe some of the dumbest crap I've ever heard in my life about them. Stupid.
She's still got her mouth open.
Yeah. She'll really line her jaws when she's done.
You're like the only professional snake owner. It's kind of funny.
Huh?
It's funny because you're like the only professional snake owner there is.
Pretty much. I get told that a lot.
The funny thing is she's not really a professional per se because they get paid generally. But
I don't like labels anyway.
What are you doing?
People call me experts and a professional, and I don't like labels because technically you're neither, because you have the ability to learn something new about them every day. So you're never an expert and you're never a professional.
I'm Belle. And I'm pretty.
You just know how to do things right from your own experience. You don't learn it from other people. I tell people, you don't learn that from other people. Don't listen to other people to make you crazy. Learn it through your own experiences, not other people's.
What are you doing?
It's one thing I
She's
always
just staring.
thought. Like, people teach history and stuff like that.
Okay.
But I asked them why they teach history.
Who's that pretty girl?
People need to learn from other people's mistakes.
That's my girl. Good girl, Belle.
This snake will only eat if somebody is holding her.
Preferably her mama.
Yep. She ate on me last time. This
Yeah.
time she wants mama. Well, what are you doing, silly?
I'm coming to the camera.
You're making it all blurry on me. I can't see you. Stop.
Good girl, Belle. Oh, look at her. So I'm standing straight up in the air.
I'm trying to focus on her, but she keeps moving.
Can you get the height of her standing there? Jeepers.
Look at you.
So I'm a good girl. So I ate my food.
Yep.
She's doing pinkies today. I give all my snakes a variety. I give them mice. I give them rats. I give them different sizes.
Good.
They like a variety. I wouldn't want to eat
You're
the
out
same
of
thing all the
focus.
time.
There we go. Now I can see you.
Oh, she's a pretty
Hey.
girl. Good girl, Belle.
Hey, you.
You want another one? Want another one, Mama?
Want to do another one? Hey, Chris, can you take this? Just hold it right about here. Come here. Can I take her?
Yeah.
Come here, you. I gotcha. You're good. I gotcha. And it's okay.
No.
Calm. Calm. There we go.
As long as you're holding her, she's fine. You put her down to feed her, she doesn't want anything to do with it.
No.
Nope, she'll spit it right out and throw it at you.
She does, too. And try to tail whip you at the same time.
What are you doing?
So I'm going to climb up here and eat my lunch, girl.
What are you doing?
But, you know, a lot of people keep their snake on one food item. I think it's cool. Like, my snakes are raised on rats, but I give them mice once in a while. It's a treat. You know, you can fluctuate the sizes. You can, instead of giving them one big feeder, give them several smaller ones, which are easier
Where are you
to
going?
digest.